On this video, I'm going to show you how to make flowers at home. So this is wheat berry. It is whole wheat in a whole form, buckwheat flour, and this is buckwheat, which looks so beautiful, and oatmeal. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and on today's video, we're going to be talking about flours and what we can use to make flours without using AP flour. I'm going to be showing you 4 different types of ingredients that you can use to make flours. And you can make different things like bread or cake. So let me show you how to make it. Today I have buckwheat. We have wheat berries, yellow split peas, and you already know oats. We already know how to make oats flour. A lot of us in the plant-based community already know, like basically that's the only flour we use. I don't use it at all, the oat flour, but I'm going to show you how to make it so we can use it for a recipe for the future. I'm going to be putting out a recipe coming up with oat flour, and we'll be making a gluten-free cake coming soon. So the first thing that I want to start with is the wheat berry. So I'm going to add about 3 cups of wheat berry into a blender, preferably a Vitamix blender. You need a high-speed blender to pulverize these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just blend this. And I'm going to blend this into a flour. Okay, perfect. Now we have ourselves homemade, freshly grounded whole wheat flour. Just super amazing, at least for me, because I love whole wheat flour. And I can't believe it. I made it. I made it myself. So I'm going to put this into a jar and we're going to move on to the next flour. All right, up next is buckwheat. Now, if you're gluten-free, buckwheat flour is the best. It's your best friend. And it's really good because it has like a sticky consistency. It works really well to... Yeah, you're going to want to blend this to a fine flour. Next up is the oat flour. We're going to add about 4 cups of oats to a blender. We blend till we see a flour consistency. Last but not least is the yellow split peas. Blend to a fine flour. We have a bonus flour, green split pea flour. We're going to blend this to a fine flour. So there you have it. 4 flours that you can have in your home today. You can have the whole ingredient and then you can blend it in the Vitamix blender and you can make a flour out of it. You can use wheat flour, buckwheat flour, oat flour, and you can also use split pea flour. You can use the yellow one, the green one, the red, anytime. And there you go. These flours are useful for any type of baking or savory dish that you want to use. And in the future recipes, we'll be having recipes showing you how to make these, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on another video. Bye bye.